Yesterday we got you the story of 18 Jawans being killed in an ambush by insurgents in Manipur. Now it emerges that intelligence agencies had given forewarning about the possibility of such an attack, and yet the Jawans walked into this ambush. Here's more. Not a dry eye in Jammu as the information of soldiers killed in Imphal terror attack reached the city. Of the 20 soldiers martyred, 7 are from Jammu, 8 from Himachal Pradesh.
ਉਹਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਦੁੱਖ ਵੀ ਆ ਔਰ ਉਹਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਮਾਣ ਵੀ ਆ ਸਾਡਾ ਬੱਚਾ ਦੇਸ਼ ਦੇ ਕੰਮ ਆਇਆ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਗਰਵ ਵੀ ਆ
This even as the army and Assam Rifles mounted one of the biggest counter-terror combing operations in Manipur to track down the perpetrators of the Friday attack. But the task is easier said than done. There are over 32 terror groups active in Manipur, and in the past 6 months there's a major realignment that has been taking place. Chandel and Churachandpur are the worst affected districts bordering Myanmar. The porous border makes it very difficult for security forces to crack down on terror. There are also intelligence reports that indicate in the Kachin province of Myanmar there are hostile foreign governments that are sheltering these terror groups.
गृह मंत्रालय की ओर से हमें आश्वस्त किया गया है कि आने वाले समय में भविष्य में इस प्रकार की घटनाओं को कैसा रोका जाए, इस प्रकार की एक सकारात्मक योजना बनाई जाएगी.
Friday was the third in a series of attacks on security forces in Manipur, Nagaland and Arunachal Pradesh since the NSC and K walked out of talks with Government of India. On May 2, a convoy of Assam Rifles was attacked in the Mon district of Nagaland, killing 10 soldiers. Earlier on the 3rd of April, another army patrol was attacked by suspected NSC and K terrorists, killing 4 soldiers in the Tirap district of Arunachal Pradesh, bordering Nagaland.
It was the Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar who was the target of the Congress party, and the Congress party said that instead of making statements, the Defence Minister should concentrate on defence of the country.
हमारे रक्षा मंत्री हैं जिनका अहम काम होता है इस देश की सुरक्षा रखना और हमारे आर्म फोर्सेस के लोगों को सुरक्षित रखना. रोजाना ऐसे बयान देते हैं, अलूल जलूल बयान देते हैं. उनको इस तरह के बयान देने के वजूद हमारे जवानों को और इस देश की सुरक्षा के लिए अगर ध्यान देते तो बेहतर होते.
It's a shocking incident. Government should deal with this thing with all the seriousness it deserves.
The government is preparing a new multi-pronged strategy to combat armed resistance in the northeast, simultaneously pushing for certain quick-to-initiate development projects. But with the insurgency entrenched in some of the Seven Sisters for over 6 decades, this is a task easier said than done. With Ashar Ahmed Khan in Delhi and Bureau Inputs, Bureau Report, India Today.